What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another Luna Classic video. Today we're going to be discussing the price and everything that you need to know about the cryptocurrency market and of course Luna Classic. If you don't know me already, my name's Connor. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't base any financial decisions on these videos because that would be absolutely crazy, wouldn't it? With that said, things are looking nice for the cryptocurrency market. We got Bitcoin as we speak on a little pumpity pump. We got Luna Classic doing absolutely nothing, in fact. And we're going to be speaking about why that is in a second. But first of all, I wanted to remind you guys that, as I said on the channel, as voted for by you, that I will be burning my first month revenue here on this channel. And I will be burning it into Luna Classic to help out the community, help out you guys, help out us as a community here on the channel, all of that sort of awesome stuff. And I'm very excited to say that in the last just few days, we've actually made $200. So this is getting, so you can see we were only really monetized properly about 5 days ago. So things are looking pretty good. We need to keep the views up. We need to keep sharing these videos. Just share them on Twitter, share them on WhatsApp, share them wherever you want. The more views we get, the more money we can get to burn Luna Classic, which is very exciting because we're doing this as a community. And I have been checking over here on Lunic Penguins, and we can see the top 20 or 22 burn addresses. And actually right now, as we speak, with the amount we have so far at about $200, we would have 2 million Luna Classic to burn. And that would put us right here at around number 20, maybe even 19, which is awesome. I do have a question for you guys. If anyone knows out there, how do I get the name here? Because I want to burn these now so we can get ourselves onto this list. That would be awesome. So let me know how I can get my name here. We can call it Crypto Connor or whatever you guys. Let me know, actually. Let me know a name down there that we can call this community. It can be Crypto Connor. It can be Connor's Burn, whatever you want. Something else that doesn't even have my name in it, whatever you want. So I can put the name here. I think that would be really fun. But yeah, we could be in the top 20 already, which would be awesome. Talking about Terra Classic itself, the price right now up 1.5%, while the rest of the market is up only 0.79. So this is actually good. I know people aren't happy because we don't have that one back. We're still at 0.9, but it is moving. It is moving. And something that I wanted to point out that we're seeing right now is Shiba Inu up 34%. I have a bag of Shiba Inu, very small, but nice to see that. We also have Dogecoin up 10%. So Shiba Inu, Doge, and a bunch of other trending coins here. Basically, a lot of hype meme coins trending right here, which is great. What this is kind of showing me is maybe there's going to be a hype meme coin rally happening very soon. Now, obviously that's not guaranteed at all, but it'd be lovely to see a 30-40% gain in Terra Classic, and at a market cap of currently 650 million in comparison to the market cap of Shiba Inu right now at about 9.5 billion. We could see some moves, and the Luna Classic community is absolutely wild, right? We see Luna Classic trending all the time, which is awesome. The views are great. The tweets per hour are awesome. So it's still trending. There's still a community behind this coin. So I feel like there is an opportunity here to hopefully have some movements. Now, of course, that's not guaranteed, but as I'm looking at the market, this is what I'm kind of seeing and hoping for. But what we need for that to happen is for Bitcoin to continue trending upwards. Right now, we are testing this higher level of resistance, which, if we are rejected, in my opinion, is a perfect opportunity for a quick short. That's actually what I'm going to be doing, but that's high risk, right? Very, very high risk. Now, if you guys did want to do something similar or set up your own trade, maybe you think it's going to go long, maybe you think it's going to go short, whatever you think, right now you have an opportunity to get $10,000 of free exchange bonuses. Yes, you heard that right, $10,000. So right now, BitGet is giving away $4,400, Binance $600. And in my opinion, those are the top two exchanges that you want to have right now. BitGet for your futures trading, for your leverage trading, that sort of thing. That's where I'm leverage trading right now. And Binance just for your spot trading and to hold some coins and to feel a little bit more secure with your longer term bags there. Of course, I hold my stuff on Binance and my cold storage. The stuff that I don't touch, like my Bitcoin and my Ethereum, is over there on the cold storage. But some of my more liquid assets that I trade, I hold there on Binance. So I highly suggest signing up to both of those exchanges, especially BitGet if you did want to do these shorts or these longs right now in the short period of time, because you can trade on their demo account, you can practice over there, and then when you feel ready, you can move over to the real trading. So they're not going to last very long, so I highly suggest just signing up, getting that done. But as I see this right now, I still feel like there's more of a chance to be rejected. Again, you can see that we've tested this resistance maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a number of times here. Although this could show some more bullish momentum here, as you can see, we haven't been sharply rejected since back here. Since really back here, we haven't really been as sharply rejected. So this could show that the bulls are more in charge right now. So stay very safe. I do see us breaking this and potentially reaching all the way up to this $28,000 mark, which would be absolutely incredible. Of course, I'm only short-term trading with around 1% of my entire portfolio, so I don't really care if my stop losses that I set that are super tight around these levels, if they're hit, it's no bother to me, because I'd much rather 99% of my portfolio went up, right? So if we did get to up here, again, I think we would get rejected at around the $28,000 mark. But if we can break into this channel around these parts, 28,000 to 32, this could now show signs of more bullish momentum. If we were to get above 32, that's where I think would be a very bullish point for the market. But overall, I am still bearish in my bias. I still think that this is a continuation pattern in this otherwise downward momentum, and I'm not going to go against the trend until we see proof and indication that we may very well be back in a bull market. The overall macro is not good. We got 8.5% inflation. I know that sounds good in comparison to 9.1, but it isn't good. So that's the way I'm seeing it. That's what I think. I'm still making the best of this volatility by trading on platforms like BitGet. Remember those links down there in the description if you did want to join me. And then just to quickly check out UST, we got a little bit of a movement here, 0.97% up on UST. And interestingly enough, we are seeing some word that the Terra rebels are actively working on a new algorithm for Luna Classic to USTC swaps. We'll see huge burns of Luna Classic once this algo is in place. Our opinion is that this will bring down the supply drastically when compared to the 1.2% tax. So apparently they are trying to get the new algorithm back in order to repeg. So as you can see here, one of the developers from Terra Rebels. Besides from that, we are working on a plan to repeg, as well as how to automatically react in the future in case of another depeg. So this is quite exciting. Imagine they actually managed to repeg. That would be awesome for the community. On Crypto Bubbles, we got SHIB, like I said, up. Now only 23%. I think it's more than that. Let me just give this a little bit of a refresh. I don't know. 23%, Doge 8.3, GMT 6.1, Celsius. These coins right now all have in common that they have communities behind them. Celsius was the exchange that recently was one of the exchanges that recently went bankrupt. There's a lot of people who are trying to get their money out, who are trying to I've even seen things like GameStop and AMC vibes around Celsius trying to push the price up to help the community. So these are all community-based coins that are pumping. One of the only ones that I see that isn't pumping right now is Luna Classic, which gives me some hope for the short term, right? Remember,